right, guys. So really quickly before we leave, one quick. So that sign says Pritchett Canyon. That's what we're doing today. We've got Kevin with us. There's Crushicon and Chewy. And we're gonna get through this just fine today. I'm so excited, and here we go. Yummy. Stop. You. Mom, look at her. She's going crazy. Hey, Ariana Grande, get back here. Hey, do you want to stop too?
I think I'm good. If I take the right line out, I need to square back up on it.
I don't think you want to stop.
That means you have to go back.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. Oh. Keep hopping. Keep hopping. Boy. Nice. Woo! Did you get that? Okay, I did. That's good. I got him coming up. This obstacle is called the ledge ahead. I would maybe back him up again. I would back you up again.
How far before the front one's down?
You're gonna come down right now. Your front's already down. You're good. This is called the ledge ahead.
That one's good. Woohoo! Come down a little bit right here. Come on down. Maybe touch it. Wheel a bit. More. Yeah, just come roll through it. Yeah. Come driver. Little bit of rubbish. Perfect, you're good. Keep on coming. Just straight down, you're good. Perfect. Down, coming. Driver. Perfect. Keep it coming.
Nice job. Very nice. Flex shot. Nice. No, not at all. Nope. Oops, bumper. You saved your license plate. Nice job. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, kind of come to me a little bit. Come to me a hair me, TJ. There you go, right there. Very nice.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem. Do you want to get up through this first?
Get me up and through there so I can...
Yeah, that makes sense. Straight. Yep. You're good. Nice. Okay.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone,
Make sure the dogs don't get ran over.
baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
You fucking ain't done that.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Where are you going? Good girl.
We are close. Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it. That we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide.
Dad, I got it. I'm videoing.
Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Come down the front a little bit. There you go. Front, driver's gonna drop. Click it. Right now. Perfect. Keep on, keep it turning. Driver. Keep it driving. Driver. Coming.
Yeehaw.
Didn't want your back climbing that rock. Now you can start turning hard driver.
Come on, Dad. Come on, girl.
Perfect. back up. Thought it'd climb up, but it slid down. That's probably good. Alright, here, run back up one more time. The first hard passenger. Back up. On that driver. Hard driver.
Down and dirty,
I don't
guys.
want to stress on the foot. There you go. Perfect. And now you go back.
Oh, careful. Are you okay?
Nice and easy. Probably gonna rub belly.
Rock sliders rolling too.
Perfect. Come on, Sky.
I got her. Sky, come on, girl. Come on. Come on, bud. Yep.
Let's try to ride this wall after you pass that rock.
Oh, sh. Come on, Sky. Come on. Come on. Nice. That's it. So now that we have finished down and dirty, we're actually off to the Chewy obstacle. Let me show you that really quick.
Not that hard.
Here we go, Chewy, take 2. I got it.
right there, but yeah, she's fine. That's it, that's it, that's it. Careful, careful. Woo! No, no, back. You might have to back up and give it a bump. Yeah, passenger. Yep. Oh, sorry. I didn't. Sorry. Well, I'm getting in the Jeep here shortly, dude. I'm getting in the Jeep. Can he back up?
When your other tire comes up, we'll turn this way. You're about to call it. Keep that line.
Probably slow. Woo! Oh no, he's actually getting in. His son just wanted to pull it up for him for a minute. Okay. All right, Kevin, you got this. Here's Kevin on Chewy now. Cool. Nice job. Oh, go, go, go. Got this. That's it, that's it, that's it.
Hard drive or crawl. Here you go.
Might lift a tire there. Well, nope. Oh, wow, it wants to go. Oh, got it, got it, got it. Yahoo!
Let's go. Perfect. Come on.
Nice job, Kevin.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
DJ, don't get on that side of me. So the second part of Chewy, guys. Okay, you guys, that's a great place to video, but if anything happens, it would go right on top of you. Okay, just be real careful, okay? I've seen it too many times. Alright, it's Texas off-road. Good job. Kevin? Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so wonky like that.
Stay driving.
You might, hey, yo, you don't want to go up that way. No, because you're gonna pick a tire for a really long time right there. You want to come more, yes, like a lot, hard. I would almost back up more. Yeah, because you fell back in that hole. Back up like passenger, hard passenger. Back up. Keep backing up. Right there, probably. And then like hard driver, and then drive forward. She's fine. There you go. That's it. That's the line. That's it. Nice job.
Oh, you need to start coming hard. Oh, you're driving that way?
This is just
okay.
a fun little obstacle that we're trying just before Rocker Knocker.
All right, let's try that then. No, you're all right. Keep going. As long as it doesn't pick a tire, you're fine. You're fine. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come passenger here. Passengers come up, but hold up. We might have you in a... Is she okay right there? All right, so you need to come passenger. Driver, sorry, come to me. Just not too much. There you go. Keep coming. Come to me. Okay. Keep it to me. Keep coming to me. There you go.
Worst comes to worst,
Let it come up. Keep it coming. Keep it driving. Come up. Oh, dang.
That's a little bit wonky. So you guys, now that we actually have finished Chewy and made it up, absolutely amazing because of my awesome husband and our great friend, Spotting. Now we are actually approaching the dreaded Rocker Knocker. So here we go, guys. Wish me luck.
Please hang up and try again.
Here goes TJ, guys. So this is Rocker Knocker. Yeah, you don't want to do that.
What you gotta do.
But you're not over that nub, bud. Like, how do you get over that nub? But I thought you have to go up right there, right?
You do. You walk it all the way over.
Over that nub?
Back tire just slide all the way over.
Oh, it will? Oh, okay. that, but it wants to go over. Right, that's what I thought would happen. Mickey Thompson's want to go straight up. There we go. Kind of. No, you're going straight up now. I don't know. Maybe.
Be able to turn your front bumper on.
There we go. That's it. That's the line. Yep, that's the line.
If I want that frickin' back to walk on further, man.
Right, it's not. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nope. Maybe back up a little bit and try again. Let it walk. Because it wants to go up right there. You know? Like just turn your tire, TJ, and go, yeah, there you go. Yep. Now try and see what happens. Yep. Keep going that way. Yep. Yep. Like that. Yep. I would maybe just back up like 2 inches. Maybe 1. Right there. Okay, stop. Stop. Now turn hard driver. Now try. There you go. Nice job. Yep, that's it. That's it. Yep, that's it. It'll go on the rock slider. Nice job. Woo! That's it. You made it, guys.
I'm so sorry I never stayed. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have a power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means? We've been here before.
Please hang up and try again.
Perfect. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Stay to me. Stay to me.
Nice job, dude.
Keep on coming. Let's go back. Passenger here.
It's hard to tell the depth of that, but that is extremely, sorry guys, that is extremely steep. So, anyways, onward and upward. Here we go, guys. So guys, this is Axel Hill. So essentially what you do is crawl up this way, and then put your 2 tires right there, and then crawl up that last ledge. Nice job. That's it. Nice. Woo! There we go. Nice. Nice job. Nice spot. And hold up, hold up, hold up. Stop, stop, stop. He's stuck right on his diff up there on that ledge. Trying to zoom in right there. There we go. There's a ledge right here. He's just stuck right there. We're trying to get him off that. Can we put a couple rocks under his tires? Nope, that's it. Nice. Woo! Almost.
Back up just a little bit more. One more. Right there.
what y'all pray for. It's just starting to go up.
The only trail I never did my I've done all the rest of my trails.
No, this is my first trail. So, Axel will, yeah. Rocker knocker, I'm having some issues with my oil. And yeah, the oil's getting into my exhaust. I'm not sure. It's the actual oil, so you're good. Yeah, please. God, you're so brave on that thing. I don't know how you guys do that.
It's so much easier because in the end you just let it go and you can replace it for.
Just be careful, jeez. I think I would rather have a big vehicle to save me. You have a great day. TJ, do you need help? You want help? Oh, that's good. You got synthetic line on that? Good job, Kev. You got this. Yep, that's it. Yep, give it some juice. There you go. Nice job. That's it. TJ. And that's how you stay safe on Axel Hill. Perfect. That's it.
Hold up, I'm almost out of wind. Keep on coming right now. Come on, go further. Okay, stop for a minute. Stop. Come on up to me. Start turning past.
We got some bikes coming. Yeah.
Looking good. Perfect, Dave. Keep it hard and come forward fine. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me get rid of this.
Not hard, just a little roll through. There you go. Oh, you okay?
Come on through.
There you go. Nice job. Just rock slider. Come here, Sky. So you guys, this is Son of a Rock Pile. Hey guys, so we're actually just at Yellow Hill right now. So that is the way up right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a video of TJ going up this right here. And yeah, this is our last obstacle on Pritchett and we're out of here. So I'm super, super excited. So let's go check it out. Go! That's a big hill right there. That's a big hill. Oh.
Last obstacle on Pritchett Canyon, Yellow Hill. Oh yeah. Come on back. Whoa, hold it. You're on your tire.
Oh! Whoa! Think she's coming a little bit more passenger, huh?
Hey, Ken, until it comes up, kind of stay passenger. There you go. If it moves that tire climb, then come back to me. Passenger.
No, he's gonna have to bump it.
Back off from the horse. Right there, now give it some. Give it some.
Oh. So he needs to like jump passengers and then like
Stay
forward
hard
that way.
passenger, try to come up first. There you go. Come on, come on, come on.
You go, go, go. Oh. Oh, dang it. Geez, you're really exploding rocks over there. JK. Oh, bro, wait, what? Bro, I thought there was people on the freaking Texas thing. Oh. Yeah! Dad, that would be a fun one for the RCs.
Hey guys, so really quickly, we've actually just finished Yellow Hill. So we're at the end of Pritchett and we have done it. We are done. We made it safely and our Jeeps are still going to go on a trail tomorrow. So we are going to head out to top of the world tomorrow, you guys. But as you all know, if you see our videos and you like them, please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell so you can get our videos in the future. So we have about 9 different trails that we've ran so far just in this week, and we've got a lot more coming this summer. So we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out and have a great day. Happy trails, guys.
Perfect. All right, now straight back down. Come back, driver. There you go. Okay, not too far.
This is Mackay driving. Pretty scary. He's doing a good job so far.
Hey, driver.